Hello friends, Kulumbai. I hope you all are doing well and welcome to our Your Awesome channel. In this video, we are going to share information about some important tourist places in and around Guwahati. Many people don't know that Guwahati is not the capital of Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. But Guwahati is the gateway of Northeast India. In the epic, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, and the Puranas, Assam were referred to as Dispur. There was a time when beautiful Shillong used to be the capital of Assam until 1971. But then the separate state of Meghalaya was formed and Assam had to have its own capital. Indian states were divided based on linguistic lines through State Reorganization Act 1956. Guwahati in those days was very small. Dispur was a village rather than I would call it as an agricultural field to be more precise. Vikram's father used to tell that there was a time when he was offered 1 bigger land in present-day Ganeshguri for just rupees 2,000. Mighty Brahmaputra River is the lifeline of Guwahati and for entire Assam. And for your kind information, I would like to share that the length of Brahmaputra River is longer than the holy river Ganga. Although inside India, the longest river is Ganga. Like many Himalayan rivers, Brahmaputra River originates in Himalayan Lake, Mansarovar in Tibet. It is known as the Yarlung Tsangpo River in Tibet, the Lohit, the Brahmaputra River in Assam, and Siang and Dihang in Arunachal Pradesh, and Jamuna in Bangladesh. Well, let us know about some good tourist places in and around Guwahati. Number 1. Kalakshetra Temple. First and foremost name which comes to our mind is one and only the Kalakshetra Temple, situated on the Neelachal hill in the western piece of Guwahati in Assam. Kalakshetra Temple is one of the most sacred places to worship of goddess Shakti in India. To reach uphill, you can employ auto rickshaw or hire a taxi from your hotel by using Ola or Uber. Or you can use the local state bus back and forth the century from different parts of the city. There is a great mythological story behind this famous temple. You should also know that the temple is also famous for its annual Ambubachi Mela, but during this time, no religious activities were allowed inside the temple. Number 2. Srimanta Sankardev Kalakshetra. It is situated in the Panjabari area of Guwahati and it is around 3 km from the 6-mile road. As the name suggests, this cultural center is in the name of a famous playwright and poet of the medieval period. He was a follower of the Vaishnava religion and was considered as a saint. This cultural center contains a large museum where tourists can see the various culture and tradition of Assam. It exhibits different day-to-day types of items which are used by different ethnic groups of Assam. You will be surprised by knowing how many different ethnic groups are living in Assam. Name of some of the ethnic groups: Ahom, Bodo, Raba, Rajbongsi, Tiwa, Dimasa, Missing, Karbi, Deuri, Garo, Khasi, Bengali, Santal, Turung, and many more. Currently, there is another museum dedicated to renowned singer Bhupen Hazarika that can be visited. Number 3. Assam State Museum. Another milestone in Guwahati is Assam State Museum, situated in the core of Guwahati city near the Galipukuri tank. The Galipukuri is a rectangular man-made pond in Guwahati and was built by Assam Kingdom. It is one of the most acclaimed exhibition halls of the Northeast India that gives bits of knowledge into the rich culture of antiquated history and just as the cutting-edge history of Northeast India. Number 4. Umananda Temple. Now let's go out and visit another temple by taking a ferry. So go ahead and visit Umananda Temple, which is situated on Peacock Island that lies on the middle of the relentless Brahmaputra River. This peaceful spot of love is named after and devoted to Lord Shiva. The name Umananda originates from the two Hindi words. To be specific, Uma, which was another name for Lord Shiva's better half, and Ananda, which means satisfaction, happiness. More than this place, I like the journey, which you have to take on the ferry. During this 30-minute journey, you can feel the air and calmness inside you. Instructions to reach Umananda Temple. First, you have to reach Uzan Bazar, ferry ghat, and from there, you have to purchase tickets which will cost you only Rs20. Ferries are available from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Number 5. Guwahati Planetarium. If you love science and interested to explore, then the Guwahati Planetarium, situated on MG Road, Uzan Bazar, is an incredible goal for the universe darling. The enchantment of the limitlessly growing universe is clarified in such detail and is yet outside anyone's ability to grasp. Why I love this place is because this is the first planetarium in the entire Northeast India. The best part, shows are available in both Assamese and English language, and they have particular timing for both of them. If you have kids, then you must take them there and they will thoroughly love to see that. Number 6. Guwahati Zoo. If you love animals and want to see them within the boundaries of Guwahati city, then Guwahati Zoo will be a paradise for you and your loved ones, especially kids. It is also known as Assam State Zoo cum Botanical Garden. Guwahati Zoo is the largest of its kind in the entire Northeast India and spread over 432 acres, located in the Hangrabari Reserve Forest at R.G. Barua Road. It is home to 113 unique types of the set of all animals, making up the 900 or more creatures, winged animals and reptiles in the zoo. You can even easily see the three largest land mammals, that is, elephant, rhino, and hippo. Number 7. Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary. Now, if you have enough time in hand and want to see rhinos in open, then I would suggest visiting Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary. It is spread over a territory of 38 square kilometers and situated in the Morigao district of Assam. It is around 48 kilometers from Guwahati city and it takes around 2 hours to reach there. Like most national parks in India, Pobitora is shut during the monsoon season due to heavy rain. It closes at the end of April or mid-May, depending on the weather, and reopens at the beginning of October. Tourists can visit this sanctuary from October onwards. Number 8. Sualkuchi, the weaver's town. Assam is famous for many things, and one of the most notable is is silk industry. Swalkusi is the textile center of Assam. In fact, it is also called as a Manchester of Assam. There you will find various kinds of silk, that is, golden muga silk, Pat silk, Iru silk. This area is situated on the north bank of river Brahmaputra, about 35 km from Guwahati. This region is famous for its silk output and quality. Mekhela chadors and gamosas made from these indigenous materials are in high demand throughout Assam as well as other parts of India. This area can easily be considered as one of the largest areas in the world, where most of the people are engaged in the weaving occupation. Number 9. Hazo, a perfect example of communal harmony. Hajo is a small town in Assam, which is around 24 km away from Guwahati in Kamrup district. This small town can be considered as a perfect example of unity in diversity, and it serves as a place of ancient pilgrimage for three religions, that is, Hindus, Buddhists, and Muslims. There is a famous temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu, which is known as Hayagriva Madhava Temple. But this temple is also equally important and sacred to the Buddhist community. Some Buddhists believe that Lord Buddha attained Nirvana at this place. Apart from this, Makkah is the most respected Muslim shrine here. It has the same importance as the Mecca of Saudi Arabia. It is believed that this mosque was constructed from the soil that was brought from the city of Mecca itself. Apart from religious importance, this town is also well known for its bell metal industry. Artisans make various kinds of utensils, and these are sold as household items. Hope you have liked today's video and understood the topic well. If you have any question related to the topic, you can comment below. Thanks for your support and love, and always remember, you're awesome.